video, we're going to talk about analytics and how important it is for your internet marketing strategies. Now, before we get into analytics and how we're going to apply this to your internet marketing, we have to understand what analytics will give you. Analytics will give you nothing but a bunch of data, which is the quantitative side of the analytics. You are going to take this quantitative data and you're going to make a decision as to how good your strategies are, as in your internet marketing strategy or search engine marketing strategy or anything else that you are trying to measure, and make a qualitative decision. Now, so it is very important for you to understand how this data is collected and where this data is coming for you to be able to make a good decision as far as how quality your strategies are. Taking this knowledge into consideration, and the next question will be why you need analytics for your website. Now, when you have a website, your objective is, of course, to increase your visibility and visitor experience, and of course to measure the success of your conversion rate, and also become an authority in your industry. So analytics will give you the raw data, quantitative data, for you to be able to measure all this. In other words, it tells you where your strong points are within your website, or where your weak points are within your website, and as in how successful your strategies are, whether this can be this is your internet marketing strategy or your conversion rate, or to see how well you're doing within your followers to fill out the forms and etc. There are many analytics tools out there, some paid and some free. One of the well-known free tools is Google Analytics, and Google started offering analytics after they purchased Urchin, and just as everybody knows, you get quite a bit of an information from Google Analytics, as in keyword analytics and visitor data, tracking your e-commerce, and tracking your traffic from your social media, and many more. Now, another free tool is the OSStats that your hosting company should be offering. From this, you get information such as visit durations and traffic to your website according to days, months, or weeks, and the system that your visitors are using again. And as far as this OSStats is concerned, different from Google, the OSStats gets its information from your website logs. As to the paid tools, one of the analytics tools is, of course, Web Trends. Now, this is what most of the big companies use, and it costs thousands of dollars, and but it gives you detailed analytics where you have the ability to segment your visitors to set your behavioral targeting for your marketing strategies. And another tool is Omniture Site Catalyst, which is considered to be a very robust and expandable, and with significant measuring capabilities. There are, of course, many more paid analytics tools out there, such as Piwik, Clicky, Yahoo's Web Analytics, and Crazy Ag, and many more. Now, in order to be successful by measuring your quantitative data, you have to understand that you need to know where this data is coming from and how this data is collected, so that you will make a sound decision. In other words, the saying goes, garbage in, garbage out. Your data has to be impeccable for you to be able to make a sound decision in analytics. Now, going back and just looking at analytics, analytics is just nothing but a circular process where you first measure quantitatively and you analyze it and you make a decision as to how to optimize whatever you're planning on, and you implement it and you go back again and start measuring again to see how successful the previous application was. This is how analytics work.